Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize build inventory apps with AppSheet, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Open your AppSheet application. Sign in with your Google account.
Create a new app using the Start from your own data option.
Choose your preferred data source, such as Google Sheets. Select the spreadsheet containing your inventory data. AppSheet will automatically generate a basic app layout. Navigate to the Data tab in the AppSheet editor.
Review the table generated from your spreadsheet. Ensure all columns are correctly recognized as types like text, number, or date.
Navigate to the UX tab. Customize the app's appearance by choosing different views.
Next, go to the Security tab in the AppSheet editor. Select Require User Sign-in to secure your app.
Choose the Allowed User Authentication options. For beginner use, select Google as the authentication method. Save your settings to apply the changes.
Return to the Data tab to ensure your data is properly structured.
Test your app in the Preview section. Log in using your Google account to verify authentication. Check that the app prompts for sign-in when accessed. Make necessary adjustments to the user interface if needed. Your Build Inventory app is now authorized and functional.
Share the app link with your team or intended users.
Instruct them to log in with their Google accounts.
Monitor user access and make adjustments in the security settings as necessary.
You're ready to manage your inventory with authorized users.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.